Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where your starter relay and starter fuse are on this Bobcat UV34XL side-by-side. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. So we're going to come over here to the passenger side. Lift up your rear seat here. You're going to lift up this tray here. That allows you to get to the relay box here. Pull up these yellow tabs. Push in the two tabs here on either side of the box. And then you can see from the legend here that this big relay right here is your starter relay. And then your starter fuse is right here, this 30 amp fuse right there. So you've got starter relay, starter fuse right there. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.